Anthony.
She's like, no, stop. I'm controlling her. Sorry. Get out of here. You stupid.
No, no.
Get your
Stop
oogs.
recording me.
I can do whatever I want. I thought that was my food. Why not?
What do you want it?
No?
Okay then.
Bye. Alright guys, so today, I don't know what we're ready to do, to be honest. It's gonna be like one of those like do whatever type days. She's in there taking forever, getting dressed like usual. But you know what I'm saying, we just copped some. I just got her a pair of Uggs, and I got a pair of Uggs, you feel me? Because I always wear my cozies, but they're getting they're a little dusty now, so I had to upgrade and get some new cozies type shit, you feel me? So we got the Uggs. I'm ready to put these jimmies on and be ready to look fresh. So yeah, but we're gonna do some stuff today. We're going to the mall, and then pretty much gonna see where it goes from there. So it's time to say goodbye to these cozies. You know what I'm saying? These are old. Time to put on the new Uggs, baby.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man. I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. In the arms of the angel.
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
So now we're just waiting for her to come out and her brand new Oogs, you feel me? And then we're gonna head to the mall. So I'll see you guys at the mall. So like the other day, I slammed my finger in the door. Don't look really good for real. But like here's this finger, you feel me? That's my regular finger. This finger, regular finger. Doesn't look very good.
3 hours later.
I don't know what you heard about me.
Oh my god, it's a Corvette.
Oh my god.
We need to stop by and get gas. So don't waste it all, you know? Oh, it's sunny over there, and you look over here. Death. Oh no, it wasn't on there. I was gonna show. It says 0 miles. 0 miles, and we made it to the fucking gas station.
Don't say.
Right there. You know what I'm saying? We was like putting on some like air for real, but we made it to the gas station. You already know. Ooh. Oh, big stunt, shorty. You made fun of my lace job, though.
Why would you not why wouldn't you go in through the top?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. All right, babe. Yes.
Stop!
What do you don't like that sound? No, we're break their necks.
Hi.
Okay, that's a red light. We're gonna die. Dude, this looks pretty as hell. Look. Looks like the Simpsons. That ass. You know what I'm saying? When the mall's packed, you just park in charge stations because technically I got a battery in there and like we don't have time for that. You feel me? Size difference. Like, hold up.
I have the baby ones.
Look. Ooh. Open sesame, bitch. Check him out, bro. Check him out, bro. Check him out, bro.
Really, nigga?
God damn it.
Whee! Hey guys, check them out. Excuse me, sir. What the f are you doing?
I'm a f***ing H&M animal.
Ooh, you suck. You suck.
These are so weird. It's like it's got a yolk in my hand. Oh. Whoa. Got his ass. Hey. Mall mission was complete. Let's go do some stupid things. Alrighty guys, so we're about to head to McDonald's and do some burnouts in the drive-thru. We got the shooter on the camera, you feel me? You ain't gonna show yourself?
The motherfucking shooter.
Yeah, what she said.
You're gonna have to cut that out.
No, I know, it's okay. Like, you cuss a lot on this thing, but like, I'm just put like quacking sounds.
Alright.
So, but it's all good. So we're gonna go do that, and then I got my little iPhone 10 Jimmy Jam because I want to get their reaction too. So we're gonna go do that, and then yeah, we'll just see how it does. I need new tires pretty soon anyway, so might as well eat these ones up. I'm trying to get new wheels. So if anybody has wheels they want to just give me, that'd be good. Bye bye. Bye.
Let me get a water. No ice. Straight from the tap.
Yeah, let me get a can I get a water? I don't know why I just froze. What the fuck?
Anything else?
And then let me get a an apple pie, please. Hello?
Anything else?
That's it.
127.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
You see this? How would you can't I don't know how to point to it. How the hell is someone ready like pull up to the window blind, like a braille menu? Like how do you drive the McDonald's when you're blind? Answer that. Yeah, I got you a whole bunch of change. Right, how about? Just stand behind that van right there. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hey yo, that lady's geeking. Hey, I pay for my shit. Hey, that lady's geeking. What? I need my pie. That lady was geeking. Yo, record this. Alright, I'm ready to just leave. Alright, I'm just leaving. They can suck my balls for $1.
What the f?
Hey yo, that lady was geeking. She was
Who?
like, you didn't hear her? She's like, I got 2 kids in the car, you need to knock that off. Like, it's just tires. Dude, this McDonald's probably done with me.
It was crazy.
That was low-key, I don't know, I was in 3rd gear, so like, my tires are hating their life right now. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. I don't know, I'm about to do more like prank stuff like here and there. I'm trying to get like some wireless mics and stuff, but comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.